Apart from sacking the CEOs and their top managers, the Central Bank of Nigeria also injected 400 billion naira into the lenders to boost their Tier 2 capital. But that reassurance doesn't seem to have convinced customers in neighboring Ghana and Liberia. In Accra, bank customers are reportedly flocking to the branches of Oceanic, Intercontinental and Union Bank, taking their last cedis and pesewas.
Banking is about trust. And once investors or depositors start to question the stability of their banks, the natural thing for them to do is to panic withdraw. In fairness, if I still have accounts with any of those banks, I'll keep it because I trust that the central bank would go ahead and do exactly what they said, which is ensure that the banks continue to survive. And not just only survive, they actually strengthen the banks. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is that when those loans are really paid back, as currently being threatened by the EFCC, believe it or not, those institutions are going to be stronger today than they ever were.
The withdrawals have forced the branches to undertake media campaigns seeking to reassure customers that their money is safe, but the appeals appear to be falling on deaf ears.
The CBN governor has been telling everyone who cared to listen that they were going to protect these institutions in the long term. And we believe that the Ghanaian authorities as well owe it to their banking sector to ensure that the systemic distress doesn't start from the Nigerian banks and spread to other banks. Don't forget that the Nigerian banks are extremely big in Ghana, so you can't afford for a Nigerian bank or 2-3 Nigerian banks to fail. You're going to run into trouble.
I think going forward, we need to have certain bodies in place that are exposed to what the CBN is seeing, and on that basis can inform us wisely. It's really important.
The Ghanaian authorities are, however, taking matters into their own hands. By the end of December, Nigerian banks in Ghana have been asked to boost their minimum capital base to 60 million cedis. It still remains to be seen if these measures will help restore confidence in Nigerian banks operating in the country.